I stopped back at Bloom with a Spinelli ring, so I got a Spinelli ring. TikTok made me do. Let's unbox. Probably will be less affected by tariffs, so less price increases. Yay! TikTok made me do it. The extreme version of TikTok made me do it. But she made me. But it made me. She made me. We all made me. If you don't know, this is Spinelli Kilcollin. It's a jewelry designer. Newer, started in 2010. I know a lot of you guys come from me if you're going to like for the basic brands and that everyone does. And I guess this kind of speaks to that and against that at the same time. But I did a little research after seeing her videos and I was like, oh, let's get one of these. So it's ethically sourced, sustainability, recycled materials where they can, recycled metals, low carbon emission, like recycled product, whatever, packaging, everything like that. So all made in LA, fair wages, reasonable pricing, all that kind of stuff. Like it's very, like they're a very good company, okay? This is the packaging, comes with all this. Don't need that. Little booklet with a little cleaning cloth. Thank you for shopping. Your piece is handmade here in downtown Los Angeles. We hope you love it. Dwyer, Eves, and the SK team. Personal. It feels like a mom and pop. Little pouch in this like soft, luxuriously velvety. And then the ring comes in this little box. Okay. Okay, so it's like that. I think you would wear it as a 2-ring too, but it's supposed to be worn as 1. Yeah. And so you can wear it doubly, like that. I didn't get one of the like extravagant ones. We're just testing the water here. We're starting small. Or the other way, which is the same thing, but just so you can see. And then like these little, you know, they move around, which is kind of cool. You can kind of put them at the front. If it's on a tighter finger, they'll stay. If it's on a looser finger, it'll move around a little bit. Or you can hide them. And then you can also, which is cool, wear it like this. If you have one of those like tufa rings, which is cool, I think. Right? And then if you had really thin glasses, you could probably like put it on here. Or you could wear them as glasses, little tiny glasses. You wear like that. Maybe, probably not. Like that. There's a vibe. Also, you can wear it as a necklace if you want to like thread it through the necklace through here, like a thin chain necklace through here, and kind of like drape it, and or you know like that. If you want it to be like an hourglass kind of thing. Also, I mean, you could technically just like wear one and have the other one kind of hang, or the other way. And if you had teeny tiny fingers, you could fit in there like a baby. What do you guys think? Do we like it? I did it.